Oh Jesus, bro! If they don't put that random ass man back, look, they don't put the holes in his hand. They want us to think he white so bad.
So Jesus is Chinese, and he was found with a crowbar. What? They didn't even have crowbars back then. What? He was Chinese, found in China. I don't know who that is y'all got up there, but y'all better put that little Chinese man back in his coffin so he can rest in peace before he come out of there and harm every last one of y'all. What? A crowbar used to prop. I ain't even gonna say it because it sounds ridiculous. Chinese. Jesus is Chinese. Mm-mm. 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 Fix it, Jesus.